Discover this ideal ranch located in Chesapeake, nestled in the desirable Norfolk Highlands neighborhood. The residence features updated bathrooms, a kitchen with new butcher block countertops, and a refreshed laundry room with ample space for pantry or storage. A new roof was installed in 2021. Both the HVAC and water heater are less than 10 years old and in excellent condition. The home boasts 3 generously sized bedrooms, 2 living areas, including one with a wood-burning fireplace for the winter months. The kitchen is complete with a breakfast nook and a separate dining room. Elegant flooring and abundant storage are found throughout. The expansive and secluded backyard includes a powered shed. This home exudes pride of ownership and is ready for move-in. Contact us for a private showing today.